Welcome to ABA iBanking for Business, your seamless online banking solution. Making a local bank transfer has never been easier. To make a batch local bank transfer, click Transfers screen on the side panel. Click New Transfer button and choose Batch Local Banks from the drop-down options. In the Batch Local Banks transfer form, select the account from which you will make payments to multiple beneficiaries. Upload the file filled with beneficiary and transaction details. The file must contain bank code, beneficiary name, account number, and amount. If you don't know how to create a file, download our template and fill it in. If there are any issues in the file, you will be alerted so you can make necessary changes. To make corrections, click the Edit icon on a red highlighted row. Find the invalid field and change it. When done, click Update button, and do the same for other invalid entries. After all errors are corrected, click Next button to proceed. On the final screen, preview the transfer detail and choose the date when you want to pay. For your own reference, you can provide batch transfer name. Before you submit the batch local bank transfer instruction, you can select to receive debit advice when funds are deducted from your account. Notify beneficiaries of funds transfer via email. And finally, save new beneficiaries from the uploaded file in your beneficiaries list. Finally, click Submit button. Finish the process by entering a 6-digit code generated via hard or soft token device and click Submit again. You have successfully submitted transfer instruction, and now it is waiting for authorization within your company. In order to complete the transaction, authorizer needs to sign in. Go to Authorization page and click the Batch Local Bank Transfer instruction, which is pending authorization. As an authorizer, you can choose to decline or approve the instruction. Finish the process by entering the 6-digit code from your token and click Submit. To make a single local bank transfer, click Transfers screen on the side panel. Click New Transfer button and choose Local Bank from the drop-down menu. In the Local Bank transfer form, select the account from which you will make payment. After that, choose the beneficiary of your transfer. Choose the transfer currency and enter the amount. And select the date when you want to pay. For your own reference, you can provide the transfer name. Finally, click Next button to submit the instruction for authorization. Finish the process by entering a 6-digit code generated via hard or soft token device and click Submit. You have successfully submitted the local bank transfer instruction, and it is now pending authorization within your company. The authorization process is the same as for batch local transfers mentioned earlier. ABA iBanking for Business, smart and simple way to manage your company finances.